Hi friends, I am Hamza, HK Vibe. Today topic is from chemistry. How to study organic chemistry very easily. Introduction to organic chemistry. First of all, if you are watching and listening my video first time, please subscribe my channel. Okay, first topic, occurrence of carbon. Carbon is found in atmosphere, earth crust, all living organisms. Carbon is present in fuels, wood, coal, charcoal, natural gas, petroleum. Carbon is present in compounds like carbonates, bicarbonates, hydrogen carbonates. Carbon is present in free state, diamond, graphite, etc. So, carbon is present in everywhere. Under earth crust, atmosphere, living organism, many things. Next, carbon's bonding or bonding in carbon. We know that carbon is in fourth group. Its atomic number is 6. What is atomic number? Number of protons or electrons in an atom is called atomic number. Atomic number of carbon is 6. Its electronic configuration. What is electronic configuration? Electronic arrangement of atoms in an element is called electronic arrangement. Electronic arrangement is called electronic configuration. So atomic number is 6. So electrons are arranged 2, 4. So outermost electron how much? 4 electron. So carbon is called tetravalent. But carbon have one problem. He is not ready to lose. He is not ready to gain. But he is ready to share. Carbon does not gain for electron because it is difficult for 6 proton to hold 10 electron. So does not lose electron because it's need large amount of energy to lose 4 electron. So better he can share. It can share 4 electron with the same time with 4 other atom or elements or compounds. So because of this, carbon is called tetravalent. So carbon valency is 4. Next, covalent bond or bonding in carbon. What is covalent bond? Sharing of electrons. What sharing? Mutual sharing of electrons between two atoms in a molecule is called covalent bonding. Simple things, the sharing of one pair of electrons atoms in the formation of covalent bond. One example we can take hydrogen molecule. one hydrogen contain one electron, another hydrogen contain another one electron. So hydrogen coming together, they are sharing mutually, so to forming a pair of electron. Then hydrogen one electron together, hydrogen molecule. Here same time each atom giving one electron, then there is a pair of electron. This kind of sharing is called a single covalent bond, single sharing of electron. So formation of single covalent bond in hydrogen molecule. Once again, here one hydrogen contains one electron, another hydrogen contains another electron. That means atomic number of hydrogen is 1. So electronic configuration is also 1. So it have only one electron. He is not ready to lose. He is ready to occurrence of carbon, then bonding in carbon, single covalent bond in hydrogen molecule. Thank you. Have a nice day.